Good evening everyone. I welcome you to this channel. So in this video, I am going to ask some questions that I have written in this piece of paper by the way. So let's see how he is going to answer. So my first question goes to you, Santosh Chandan. Who scolds you often?
My mother calls me
Often.
because when
Just look at camera and just elaborate.
because when I don't
Hmm?
work, then
She.
she scold me.
Okay, you are saying that when you don't listen to your mother, then she scolds you. Okay, now let's move on to our second question. Are you an introvert or extrovert boy?
I think I am an introvert boy because I don't share anything.
Be relaxed. When you are relaxed, then only you can think about so many things on the spot. Don't be nervous because people are not going to kill you or they are not going to insult you. All right, so are you ready? Just look at camera. Whichever question I will ask you, while focusing on camera you have to answer, and don't forget to use your hands as well.
Okay.
Okay, so Miss Priya Behra, my first question is to you. Introduce yourself.
My name is Priya Behra, a student of class 10. I am 14-year-old and
14 year or years?
14 years old,
Mm-hmm.
and my hobbies are studying and writing.
Okay.
If I talk about my family, there are 5 members in my family. Apart from my parents, I have one younger brother and one younger sister.
What is your ambition? What do you want to become?
I want to be a teacher.
You want to be a teacher. Okay, that's good. So my second question is to you, do you like to spend time with small kids?
Yes, I like to spend time with little kids because they are so cute,
Cute.
and they play with me most of the time, and when they see me, then they make a smile on their
They give a smile,
they give a smile
which makes me laugh and which makes me feel, yeah.
which make me feel happy.
Okay, that's nice. How often do you put status on WhatsApp? Very good question. Accommodate you here.
When that is someone's birthday, then also I put status.
Then only.
Then only I put status on WhatsApp because I don't like to put status more. And some days I put status.
Okay, you mean very rarely you put status, otherwise not. And that is also when there is someone's birthday.
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you one similar question. Have you ever put your own birthday status?
Yes, I have put my own birthday status.
All right. How do you see this English language?
I see this English
English?
language as a language, and this helps us to have a conversation with
Different countries.
and it is a subject as well. We study this language on our high school,
Okay, in college as well.
in college as well.
Do you like speaking English?
Yes, I like to
Speak
speak English.
English. What? Okay, my last question. What makes you upset and how do you overcome this sadness? What makes you upset?
When my
Parents?
parents denied something,
No,
deny
for.
for something, then I upset.
Then I become
Then I become upset.
upset. Then how do you overcome? How do you get happy again? How do you remove this sadness?
When I watch mobile phone, then I happy.
What do you watch on mobile phone?
Shorts video.
Shorts video. Okay. Okay, thank you Priya for discussing with me over some questions. Thank you.
Welcome.
So, Miss Sankita, my first question is to you: are you a unique girl?
Yeah, I am a unique girl because
Don't
I
take it too closer.
I am different from my friends. Who, if they like most Odia, then I like
Use your hand. Use your hand.
then I like most
Hmm?
in English and mathematics.
Okay. Over these two things, you are unique and you are different from
And
your
so many
parents.
things that is.
Okay, there are so many other
Yeah.
things as well. Okay, so my next question is to you: with whom do you spend more time in your daily life?
I spend I spend more time with my pets.
With
Pets.
your pets? They can't even talk and they can't even understand your feelings.
Because I have a dog.
You have a dog. Why do you like to spend your time with dog? That's what I'm asking. Like they can't even speak or understand your feelings.
Yeah, but she is my pet, and what I tell
Mhm.
she bring me that thing.
Okay,
Like there was something. There was
okay, if there is something and if you instruct to your pet to bring that and to do that, then
Yeah.
your pet listens to you.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
That's why I
If someone wants to buy your pet, then would you like to sell?
no, I do not like to sell my pet.
They may give you high amounts of money.
Hide then also.
Then also not.
Yeah.
Oh, why do you use mobile phone?
because because I saw in
I saw or I was.
no, so I watch if I will watch mobile, then of course I will use social media.
Mhm.
Then if we can see social media, then we can see knowledgeable things and dance things, comedy things. That's why I like
Those are things or those are videos?
those are video and mostly YouTube and some type of
Okay,
yes.
all right. Do you like social media?
Yeah, I like social media because
First of all,
I
tell me which social media do you use?
mostly
Ah, mostly.
mostly YouTube.
Mostly you use YouTube social media.
Yeah.
All right, and what about Instagram?
Instagram I use but little bit, not more.
Okay, that's good. Do you put stories on your Instagram?
No, I don't
Or apply or upload?
upload any story
Any stories?
because I don't like to
Okay.
apply story.
Okay, so my last question is, Ankita, what is going on in your mind right now?
Right
What are you
now,
thinking?
I'm not thinking anything, just I'm thinking how I tell
How I will speak?
how I will speak properly and
Hmm?
how should I tell English properly. That's I think.
That's in your mind. Okay, thank you so much for coming here.